Okay, it's been a while since I made a video. I've been traveling and working, and in fact, I just posted a video last night that I made before I even started traveling, so it's kind of outdated. But anyway, I think we were talking about starting to put the wardrobe together, and so this is where we're at. We have started the wardrobe here, did some finished wood for the sides, and then, like I described in the last video, I think, put some cross pieces, and then just utilize the ceiling in the back to mount it. We'll obviously put a crossbar in here to hang clothes, and then there'll be some shelving, and then we'll put a face on it. But we've kind of paused this project a little bit because we're on the garage, and I'm also doing some other electric stuff. But I did go ahead and buy a prefab drawer here also. From Lowe's, and the kick plate area, I cut that down so this would drop a little bit, and in here we're going to house the power station. For the most part, there'll be room for some other things, so we'll put the power station in here with all the electronics, and then of course eventually I got to put a countertop and build some more shelving up high. The reason why I'm pausing on this project is because I'm looking at getting an AC installed to mount in the back door that we'll need to wire in through all this stuff. So my initial idea of doing all this without doing a bunch of electronic wiring in the walls is kind of backfiring, because the truth of the matter is the wiring is not that hard, and I try to avoid it, but it's becoming more of a hassle by not having it installed in the back. So working on that. But another reason we paused on that, not just to deal with the AC wiring, but we've also set up our track saw here, and we're taking this plywood and we're designing out the garage a little bit. So our solution for the fridge, there's the fridge, which is going to go in the main part of the van, but it's going to live in the garage, is that here we're going to put two sort of central dividers here and make a complete top. So it's almost like two sides here and then a cross piece here, as it'll be like an H with a big top on it. The reason we're going to do that is so that this front center here, this front compartment, will be open that way, and the fridge can roll out that way and get opened up. And then these two pieces, these two sides here and here, we're going to make drawers that pull out here and pull out here. And we're going to design this to match the back of the wheel wells. So this blue line kind of going across. And then we'll leave this completely open. This will allow me to have a place for the fridge that goes that way, a big drawer space that opens up here, a drawer that opens up here, and then a kind of a top to all of it, so I can slide my fishing gear and everything up under the bed out of the way, and then again leave this front flat surface for a workstation, and then pile some more stuff up. But again, we're waiting to look at the possibility of mounting the AC here. It's sort of like a mini split, but they're more designed for like a semi-trailer, or a tractor trailer or whatever. So you would mount the interior here and the exterior piece with the compressor and everything out here. So we're going to get to that. But for now, the rain's coming and I got to go to Montreal. So we're going to cut a little more wood to frame out the garage, and then pause for a few days, and then come back and keep working on a combination of the garage with the cabinetry and the AC. And then we're going to finish, obviously, with the kitchen eventually, which is going to go by the sliding door. We already bought one component for that, but we're still thinking about that. So, all right, we'll keep you posted.